boys and girls. We're glad that you're joining us today. We thought it might be fun for Thanksgiving to make a cute little centerpiece. And this activity will be fun to do, but it will also help with our pinchers, our fine motor skills, and some math. So moms and dads, you don't need a lot of stuff. The main things you need is like an apple. You could do an orange. You could even do a pineapple, any kind of fruit. And then you need some gumdrops. These other candies that I have here are kind of just to add to it. So I'm going to show you what we're going to do. We're going to take our apple. We're going to take, first thing we need is gumdrops and toothpicks. So boys and girls, remember, be careful because there's a pokey at the end. What we're going to do is we're going to put our gumdrops on our toothpick, and you can do whatever color you want. Sometimes people like to use those candies called dots. You can use those too. So I did yellow, red and yellow, and I'm going to add a green one. And then what I have to do is I'm going to put it on here. What we're making is a turkey. We're going to end up making a turkey. So these are his feathers. So I'm going to do another one. And this time I'm going to do green. Now, boys and girls, when you do that, you could do it all the same. You can mix them up. You could do one feather all yellow, another feather all orange, whatever you want to do. You get to make your own design. So you keep adding those feathers, as many as you want. You want to put a face on your turkey. So I'm going to use a marshmallow for that. You can use whatever you want. You can use a cookie or whatever. And I'm going to use a little bit of frosting. Now, the other day we did an acorn cookie, and you had some frosting with that, so maybe you have that frosting. But what I'm going to do, and I would let this face dry a little, so maybe even do it in the beginning, and I'm going to put a little dot of frosting here and a little here. And on those, I'm going to put these little chocolate chips. Put one here. Oops, it dropped. One here. And one on this side. And then what I did when I made this turkey is I took a gummy worm and took the little red part and I stuck that on, kind of as the gobble gobble. You could also use, you might have a lot of these left from Halloween. You could put that on with your frosting. You let it dry. After it's dry, you can put your face right in the beginning. And then what I like to do is I like to give them a couple feet so you can be walking around. So I usually take and just put one at the end and then stick it in there and do another one at the end for his other feet because he has two legs. And then when you get all done, this is what your little turkey centerpiece will look like. And when you're done eating your turkey dinner, maybe you can eat some candy. Boys and girls, remember, before we cook, we always wash our hands, right? I did that before I came on film. Do what we do at school. Be kind, be safe, and wash your hands. See you real soon.